Hey guys, Jeff here with Mitsubishi Electric Cooling and Heating. Welcome to another episode of Tech Tips. So, your unit's not working and you have no LED display at the indoor unit. Let's take a look at why this is happening and some possible fixes. Before we get into troubleshooting, let's take a look at how power flows through our system. Single-phase 208 to 230 volts AC is being provided from the breaker panel to the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit then provides power to the indoor unit through the communication cable on points S1 and S2. Oftentimes, the outdoor unit and the indoor unit will be protected with fuses. Sometimes, accessories will be installed between the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. These accessories would include a condensate pump or a service switch. Now that we have an understanding of how the power flows throughout the system, it's time to start troubleshooting. In this case, I'm going to start at my indoor unit and work my way back towards the source of the power, which is the outdoor unit. Let's start by measuring voltage at the indoor unit's terminals S1 and S2. This should be between 208 to 230 volts AC. If we have the correct voltage at the indoor unit, that means voltage is being supplied to it. In this case, we'll need to check the indoor unit's fuses, or the power boards, or the control board. Now, if we don't have voltage, it's time to head to the outdoor unit to continue our troubleshooting. Once at the outdoor unit, we'll want to measure our AC voltage between terminals S1 and S2. This should be between 208 to 230 volts AC. If power is leaving the outdoor unit, but never making its way to the indoor unit, then something is breaking that circuit. Now it's time to start looking for things like an accessory or potentially a broken wire. In this case, I noticed that the wire was never installed onto the S2 terminal. If there's no voltage leaving the outdoor unit, it's time to take a look at the fuses and the incoming power supply. If you find that your fuses are blown, there's a good chance that the S1 or S2 wire is shorted. These fuses are installed to protect the outdoor unit from these wires. Now, how about if we checked our incoming voltage between the two lines and we read 0 volts AC? But if we checked from each leg to ground, we had a full 115 volts. Well, what that tells me is you're missing a leg of power. I would start by heading to the breaker panel and checking to make sure you have the correct breaker. Also, checking for any fuses that might be along the way. Keep in mind that safety is the most important part. Make sure that your testing equipment and tools are safe to use and accurate. Never assume the power is off unless you've verified it with a voltmeter. We hope you enjoyed this video. If there's a topic you want us to cover in the future, leave us a comment. And thanks for watching.